Seven here, and I got an unboxing and review video of the flexible keyboard. Let's see here. Let's open it up. Rip it out. Alright, here it is. Flexible keyboard. Let's see, this is oh, I got a 1-year limited warranty. I did buy this from Best Buy for $49, I believe, and I got it today. Here are the instructions. Now, this does run on batteries, and it does have a USB. Just like that. Alright, so guess this is the USB right over here. Then you just plug that into your computer, which I'll be showing you guys later. And you insert a, looks like power, 2 AAA batteries. Alright guys, here we go. Let's insert the AA batteries. AAA, I'm sorry, they're AAA batteries. There we go. If you guys saw that, I'll show you guys right here. When you insert the battery, you guys can see that right over there. You guys notice a red flashing light. Just pay attention. Yeah. Even on this side. See that? Red flashing light. That means that it's on, it's working. Now, to connect it, you're going to need to insert the USB into any laptop, I'm going to guess. Just going to insert this one into here. Alright. There I go. It is ready to use. It is searching Windows Update and searching Windows Update. So that button right there, you just click it, and I guess the red dot means that it is connected or connected. Let's see. Alright. So maybe instructions would help. Let's see here. Oh, it's working. Yeah, you just gotta click that, insert the batteries, put in the USB, and it's up. It's running. You can just, I'll show you guys an example here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I'm just gonna type in right. that is all from this and this. It does also come with a number thing on the right hand side. It has your basic 17-inch laptop keyboard, I guess. It has your rewind, fast forward, pause, stop. Has F1 to F12, insert, delete, etc. It has a whole bunch of stuff. It has Control Shift. It has your start button. Has Alt. It's a regular keyboard, really. You could just fold it up like. Well, first of all, this is how you turn it off. With that button right there. Yep, and then it's off. And then you can just fold it up like that, slip it in your pocket, purse, laptop case, whatever you guys use it for, and bring it wherever you want. It's awesome. That's it. Thank you for watching my unboxing of the flexible keyboard. Please do not forget to comment and subscribe, especially subscribe, and you guys will see more videos of me very soon. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.